meghalayapost.news. Ka-office jong ka District Tuberculosis Officer Riboy District mentakasingi kalayo biang bansa mi ki Marbam ki batimet nutritional food basket sa Nongpang TB ki brang dana pedang kajing sumar badi dawai ya kabalayo ban punlong ha ka auditorium hall jong komsning taun dorbar. Ya kiti ki Marbam na sam sa Nongpang da ka Pradhan IAS Assistant Deputy Commissioner Riboy District Dr. Kalwing District Tuberculosis Officer Riboy kong bala kan tiyo umba Presiden KRAWA lembat kiway. Kuman syukadaw kinong ay sungubhay ki Marbam lani kinik simitra ki ladon hadu saw punyongon ki bakentup ki riu simet bat ki kenhun balala banira Marbam hadu sanspa alay pungut kinong pang tibi ki berang don hapadang gajing sya sumar ki don hadu arspa san punyongon bat napadang gite lala ban kersan Marbam hadu arspa saw pulayngon bat kat saw ngut kimpat yo ban pedang ya Ïoh Jingiarap. Ka Dr. Kalwing ka District Tuberculosis Officer Riboy kalapan pa kajing songo yaw Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy ubala Shimkhia ban Pynïoh kinong kersan jingbam na kabanta kinong pang TB hapo ka Riboy District bat dailang ba kajing Shimkhia DC lala ban sami kini ki Marbam si kinong pang TB ki balaan da ki retail outlet ki bakentup ya ka HPCL BPCL bat ka IOCL ki badai ki petrol pom Riboy. Ka Dr. Kalwing ka gerpa ki pajba na du ki riu simet kinomi kmat lani ki kenhun bakin mi sakmat ban kersan Marbam ya kinong pang TB knang ba onla
Welcome all the TB patients, their family, their relatives who have gathered here. So I'm really, I think it requires a lot of courage, a lot of inner strength and a lot of resilience to fight against TB. And I feel that you guys have already shown a lot of courage here. So one thing which I want to highlight is that TB is not just a medical issue, but it's a social problem. We see a lot of taboos against TB patients. So therefore, it's very important that we spread this, we take some steps against this stigma, that there should not be any taboo against or any stigmatized against any TB patients. And I also believe that to eliminate this goal of eliminating TB by 2025, which was started by our Honorable Prime Minister, that is Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Yojana. So it cannot just be done by government efforts, but it requires efforts from you. So you have to step in, you have to ensure that as a community, anyone who has TB is getting regular medical treatment, because for your good news, TB is something which is curable, it is preventable. So it's very essential that who has been diagnosed with TB receives the medicines on a timely interval. So there as a community our role is very important, that anyone who has been diagnosed with TB, we support them, we ensure that they are receiving timely medical help, we ensure that they are getting very much good nutrition. Because it's a disease, if you have good immunity, your body can fight against it, because you take a lot of high power antibiotic as your medicine. So therefore the role of community is very, very important. It's a Jan Andolon movement, where if each and everyone fight against it, if we unite, then I'm definitely sure that we can achieve within 1 to 2 years, we can completely eliminate this TB from our community. So that's it, and I really hope that we will come together stronger and we will make this Riboy district TB free. We will be one of the first district in India to achieve this vision, and this can be done by all of your efforts.
Akan ngasngi ngadap daga jingkemen bahasa sisin pat ngilala ban yasam ya ka food basket nam taki Nongpang TB hapo Riboy district. Daga sini la penlong ini ke program hapo umsning Town Dorbar Hall ya Nongpang ki bahap apo ka umsning tuberculosis unit ti ya kani ka food basket la I mons ngobha ada ki retail outlet under HPCL BPCL but IOCL ha ka jing yalam barat ba the DC Jongka Riboy district is Shri Abhilash Baranwal. Kadai kajing Tracy Tom kajung rengkat bat Srimati A Pradhan additional Deputy Commissioner Jongka Riboy district ngilala ban penlong ya kini ke program ban food basket Nongpang TB hapo Riboy district. Tekum bencuban kenmau baya kini ke program Pradhan Menteri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan kadai kepala pelipai ba da ke Presiden Badan Burom Jongkari India Srimati Draupadi Murmu haka khandai tarik u September hausnyam ar hajar ar puar ti kini golong hadin bagajing sungthu ba dei tang ki dawai ki balak ban pun koj ya ke Jinpang TV Henry don kamru ban bam ki Jinpam ki batei met hakapor badi ya kini ki dawai namar ki dawai ki long ki baklain ti ka don kamru ya ka met ka baklain ban jam kham kloi bat ru ban ai khampa ba ki dawai ki la ban trei kam khampa ha ka met ka jong ubreu te ko mencu pun ken mau hang ni nadu pas sedang ai kini ke program hadu menta ngila don sau punya ngut kini kecai mitra lani ki donors ki bala tingkun ki Nongpang TV hapo Ribhoi district te nadu pas sedang kini ke program hadu menta ki Nongpang TV ki bala Ïoh Jingiarap na kini ke Pradhan Menteri di Bimuk Bharat Abhiyan ki long san spa laipo ngut ti ki Nongpang TV ki badon hapo Ribhoi ki badang di dawai hadu menta ki don arspa sanpo nyeungut ti yakini baro la adop da kini kecai mitra langba ke jing donation basubun jongki ngila cover yaki hadu arspa sau pulai ngot bat kelong ke jing kermen ke jongi kum ke district NTEP program rengkat bagajing trei ke administration EDC sir jongi EDC madam jongi bangila ban kobar iki la kumno 6% ban ai ke food basket iki Nongpang TB hapo Ribhoi district te kani ke jing ai jongi ke jing bam dei tang bangi ai ki ke jing bam ngi ai ki Nongpang TB ke jing kermen ka jing ke jing sinya baka jing don rekat lembat ki khnang bangila ban penduna no ya ke Jinpang TV naga district ke jongi naga jela ke jongi bat kumju ru naga ri ke jongi te kani gelong ke jingkerpat ya baro ki badon ke mensim ban yarap ninam ta ke Nongpang TV ban kinwan syakmat ban yarap lem ya ki Nongpang TV langba ke jing ya trelang bat ke sunong gathau ki riu pakmat bat ki riu don burom khnang ba ke jing yele persya ni Jinpang TV ke long ke job taga jing ya trelang rengkat bat baro namar bar tang na ka health department nginom la ban job ya kene ka thong ti kene galong ka jingkerpat ka jonga kom ka district tuberculosis officer jongka Ribhoi district
meghalayapost.news